Hey guys, what's up? My name is Satyam, and this is the continuation of the previous tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we see that due to the complexity of the time, so we couldn't run the program. So in this tutorial, I'm going to run this program. I already told you that if with the multiple statement, then we have to not required to write the braces. If we will use sorry, if we will the multiple statement, then we have to require to use the braces. If we will use single statement, then it's not requirement. So let us run this program. We'll go for run. So no error. Again compile, enter any number. Let us suppose I enter 6. So you are watching C tutorial. Okay, close it and again compile it. Again compile it, enter a number. So let's suppose I enter -5. You are in negative. Okay, and we have to again compile it, then we will see what will be output. Okay, again we will compile and we enter 0. So you have entered 0. Okay, so this is the all tutorial about the if statement. In this tutorial I'll tell you what will happen if the statement will execute, otherwise the statement will not execute. That is if else statement. If condition is true, then statement will execute, otherwise other statement will execute. That will call the if else statement. Okay guys, I'm talking about the if else statement. If the condition is true, then this statement will execute. If the condition is not true, then this statement will execute. Okay, if condition. Okay, if condition is true, then statement will execute. Okay, if the condition will true, then statement will execute. If not true, then the others. If else, so we have to use here else. So else this condition will be executed. Okay, this statement will be executed. Okay, then if condition is true, then it will execute. If it will not, its condition is false, then it will execute. Okay, let us see how it will work. So okay, remove it and so okay, let us start. If you would enter the number which will be greater than 0, then statement will be execute. Else, so we are talking about the if condition true, then this statement will be execute. If the condition is false, this statement will already execute. So we will write else. Then this statement will okay guys, so let us see. Okay, and if will enter number is greater than 0, then this statement will execute. If will not enter that will not greater than 0, then this statement will already execute. It means the executed. Okay, let us run. No error. and we are getting, so let us enter 6. You are watching C tutorial. Okay, if greater than 0, then you are watching C tutorial. If otherwise, if anything, if that will not positive, sorry, that is not negative, that is that may be negative, that may be 0 or anything, then this statement will execute. Okay, again let us run. Let us suppose I enter -5. This statement will execute. Okay, I enter uh, my condition is that if this number is greater than 0, but what I get, this statement will execute. Okay, because -5 is not greater than 0, it is less than 0, so this is because a condition is false, so this statement will execute. Okay, again let us run and let us enter, I enter 0, so this statement will again execute. Okay, again run, I enter H, this statement will execute. Whatever you will enter instead of the positive number, then this statement will execute. Okay guys, so if there be much statement, so then we have to use the braces here. In else there may be much statement, so we have to use braces. Okay, and this will, so this statement, and again we have a statement, this statement to, sorry, to